welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day, noon, night, whatever time you're watching this. So guys, welcome back to my channel. So from title, so this year again I'm going to do a Halloween video, and I'm really excited about Halloween because I get to play with the more creative, scary side of my makeup skills, and hopefully I am getting better and better at it. So this year I have two looks in mind. So this, without making this any longer, let's get into the look. So all the bits of the look go to Cameron White Beauty. I think this is a really simple and really strong look. So I'm going to try to do this look except yeah, so I'm going to try to do that look. So yeah, let's begin.
Feeling like a boss cause I'm way back. It's my city, nigga, everybody know it.
The look I'm trying to create is, I found this on Instagram and I saw this is quite easy, but this is a really cool and different look. So I'm going to show you the picture. All the credits go to Nancy Dreamin. I haven't had this idea, I saw it on from which my inspiration is this. So yeah, let's get started. Seeing things run through your head. Who can you call?
It's about to go down.
Look, and oh my god, can I be more surprised? And I'm really happy by the look of the way this look has turned out. Maybe in the future I would not be, but right now I'm very happy the way it turned out. Such huge smoky eyes, orange face and a black lip, something that I would never do. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, you know the drill. Hit the like button and on the subscribe button and on the bell icon so that every time I post a video you get a notification. Or do comment down below which of the two looks you loved or which one you would personally try if you had to. And if you have any recommendations for the next Halloween, do comment down below, and comment down below if you like this look or not, or if you like this other look. Comment down below and what do you want to see for next Halloween. And any of the requests, I would definitely look into it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. Hope to see you guys next time. Video soon. Thank you. Bye. Love you guys and happy Halloween.